Welcome to Calibration. This is where you can adjust your height and lower body movements to modify your workout. First, let's get your height. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your arms straight and relaxed, and then using your index fingers, pull and hold both triggers. Great, we've got your height. Now, let's calibrate your squat depth. If you want to avoid squatting, slipping, or ducking during your workout, simply stand tall when it's time to pull those triggers. This will adjust the height of the triangles and walls in your workouts so that you can just stand tall through them rather than squat. Otherwise, let's get your depth. Get your feet a little wider, push your butt back only as far down as you feel comfortable, like you're sitting in a chair, and now hold both controllers straight out towards me and pull down on both triggers. Excellent. Now, let's calibrate your right lunge. If you want your workout to have no right lunges, just stand tall when it's time to pull the trigger. Otherwise, push your butt back into the right, keeping your opposite leg straight. Find a depth that feels comfortable to you. Now extend your right arm and look towards your controller and pull the trigger. Awesome. Let's get the other side. Again, if you want no left lunges, just stand tall here when it's time to pull that trigger. Otherwise, push your butt back, keep your abs tight and chest up. Once you're at that comfortable depth, raise your arm, look to the side, and pull and hold that trigger. Excellent. Even if you've calibrated to skip your squats and lunges, you might still hear your coach cue for these movements. Just do what you're comfortable with. And that's it. You can always come back to make these movements easier or more challenging. Now, let's get to work.